Neuroscientists just dropped the wildest theory of 2025, and we need to talk about it. It changes everything. That is not an exaggeration. Our brains might not make consciousness, actually block most of it. Scientists behind the study, Willicat and Weiler, claim that the brain might be a really advanced filter. Imagine the whole world is a Wi-Fi network and your brain is kind of like the router deciding which data gets through. This makes a lot of sense. We do have wireless internet. So why is it so crazy to think that our brains can work like Wi-Fi? Basically saying the brain is like a filter deciding what goes in and out, what you actually get to see, almost like a highlight reel. There's too much information going all around, so your brain is just seeing the things that affect this. You want to perceive the infinite? Sorry, that's beyond your pay grade. If this sounds kind of familiar, it's because it does bode quite well with what a lot of spiritualists and meditators have been saying for eons. That's why sometimes the filter slips. Somebody meditates or has a near-death experience. Or think about so many artists, musicians, and writers who have said that their work doesn't come from them. They feel like it's a source moving through them. That might be another level of consciousness where you're more connected, where you're filtering a little bit less. Why am I talking about this? I'm no neuroscientist, but I do work with AI. This has very interesting implications for AI and how it could potentially work. Because if human brains filter consciousness through neurons, who's to say AI doesn't filter consciousness through silicon? These machines likely aren't becoming conscious, but learning to tune into the same field from a different frequency. Implications of this are just wild.